Hello everyone, today we will explore the process of creating a site for your Devum app. This video will demonstrate the process of creating a site, uploading a site logo to the Devum resource library, linking the logo to your site, adding a geofence polygon to your site, and mapping the site to your user account. When accessing the Devum landing page, we start by navigating to App Management, Configuration, Sites. In the Site page, we select New Site located in the top right corner. Upon opening the New Site pop-up, we input the display name, code, location, upload logo, site parent, and save the details. Clicking on the Upload Logo icon prompts a resource library pop-up where we can toggle to display private files only. In this step, we choose a logo associated with Paris, assign a relevant name, and proceed to upload it to our resource library. The site is named Paris, and we upload a logo that corresponds to this designation, and finally upload it. Moreover, while including a site, we can opt to specify the region. Nevertheless, it is not obligatory to create geofencing during the site setup. Nevertheless, in this video, we demonstrate how to search for the location Paris on the map and utilize the drop-down menu to generate a fence around the area. This marks the successful establishment of a geofence around the designated location by dragging and plotting the polygons. Once more, we are demonstrating the process of drawing a polygon and setting up a geofence for another area, although it is not obligatory to create geofencing during the site setup. We can even zoom in and out the selected areas with the plus and minus symbols given. After setting up the site, we proceed to the user pool in the admin space to choose the relevant user and assign the site that we have created, as demonstrated in the video. That was all about creating a site for your Devum app. Finally, a bonus tip: try it out yourself. Thank you for watching. Keep watching our channel for more such informative videos on Devum.